Awe lapho emakhaya ngifika snacks lona sizengenye i-topic manje ukuthi nani ni communicate ni participate. Pushana kwa comments ni like ni subscribe. Awe.
Hello South Africa. This is your boy. The boy. Your boy P-U-W-A. A-K-A. Ooh-ah.
Sup, good people, you know it's your boy Tita. We eat it, aka Bawipa. And welcome to hashtag getting us, my friend. And today I'm not alone. I'm in my bros here, so I think we're for small start team, my friend.
Hola, my friend, to support. Then what is the nothing at the eye? Go get him into a one. Not much of a custom minister was okay, but you got a lot of chicken in the number two. Welcome to a tech as of two. Now, topic and I'm telling for the Kulumaguti topic and I'm telling I'm going to pagat Gumlo Mongating, I'm selling to be and I got good made a pagat with card sack. Before I go so again to the topic I'm talking
Skulumanga go to your perfect age to get married.
To get married? I thought what's the perfect age to get married?
Yeah. I mean, the topic actually is what is the perfect age to get married at today?
I mean, according to my onion, it differs.
No, before, like we are going there, I want to ask, what are you talking about when we are talking about marriage? Skrumanga and Maskrumanga Mishad.
School. I think it's called what can be. Mchitakipa mwadobora kabokeli. As Africans.
So I cannot tell my girlfriend, babe, I'm saying chat to keep a malabola and stuff.
No.
But wait of mouth by telling my girlfriend what I babe, I'm not chatting.
No.
It's impossible.
It's impossible.
I have to pay a malabola first.
Yeah, you have to pay a malabola first.
Mara of it, Napa is so this nowadays. What to do, I was to chair a corner home affairs and Trama witness it inside. This nowadays,
okay, but as Africans,
yes, Africans, it's a school ija. But Jamaba issue. Pelamanja Samba Nama 2000. 20 umthetho uyavuma ukuthi ngijole let me say ngijola nomntana kini.
Okay.
And then mhlambe kune quarrel ekhona kini kinabangifuna or edlade nabafuna umntana kini or mina nogel sithi la yazi ase home affairs siye so apply abasiguide date sibuyele sithola ama witness la sishadele khona la sibuyele marriage certificate. But according to our culture, besazi mafuna ukushada thumela bomalume de go negotiate bavumelana ukuthi malini bayiqhipheleyo ngene ngesintu umfazi akalotsholwa aqede leyo thina sikhula siyazi ukuthi umfazi akalotsholwa mabathe 20,000 noma ngikhiphe 18,000 16,000 umlokoli
hayi kusuka uqedi vele noma wenzana uqedi
bathi uyaqeda but angithi lesintu thina sesihambe sikuyabona into webamba ukhula ikhulunywa vele ukuthi anodazi ecala bebathi umntana uza nge-aeroplane wena mawukhuluma bathi ukuthi umntana uza nge-aeroplane bongazi ukuthi umntana kuya kadoktar lesibhedlela wazi wehla nge-aeroplane so manje izinto zitshintshile lapho abathi abantwana nibafundise basesebancane so esikhathini samanje you can go and sign at Home Affairs without the consent of abazali ukufaka nabo malume and then you can ulobole and then kuhlangana kudliwa inyama nokulobola lokho ulobole nje kwesikhathini samanje sekufana nomoshadile and then you can lobola and then do a white wedding kuhanje lapha estrateni kushawa itepo nihambe nesweet ithombe or niyenze traditional and fake tradition uyangithola umshado manje sewukaningi uyangithola
mina okay ngendlela engasho ngakhona ukuthi it differs ne ngoba there's this nigga that I know, this guy that I know. Okay. So long chita like ushata na 25. Understand? So ngat nang the conversation like nang imbozo then why did you get married like at this age? Because there are a lot of things and I think maybe I'm not ready to be in that 25. Yeah, 25 years. I feel like that guy is a man. So I'm telling you no. Like guys in Sangale, understand? So now who's born need to go like someone. So yeah, so yena ushada ana 25 years, understand?
Yeah,
So abanye bangashada banabo 30, 35.
That's it.
And also like the culture yabona
angithi kuya ngama-culture like abesuthu they can take umntwana banento bathi bayamthumba kasuthu bari kushubelisa
same
Yeah,
same applies even nama Indians bashada banabo 13 years ama
basuthu bathatha intombi bayishubelisa ke bayishubelisa bathathe iyohlala mhlawumbe ufuna intombi ihlala ngale mandela besuthu bayahamba biza bobrava khosi kanje uthola kuphi hamba sayithatha iyohlala kini uyibiza ukuthi uyithombile ngesuthu bari washubelisa and then from there wena utshela kumalume bakho bashaya incwadi iyahambiswa ukuthi ningafuni umntwana wenu kuphi niyazi umntwana wenu ulapha ekhaya sibona sebayazi ukuthi sekahambani sebazomela idate yani yokuthi bese bazokhipana amalobolo.
So now is it a must feel good like people should get married? Is it a must? Why should people get married actually?
not just for like usual.
It's not for usual all the time. It's not for usual. Not all of us is shati.
Okay.
Not bonka.
Just like umafashire go.
Not for ukuthi ubumnandi bezwe or ukubonisa abantu. Kuna la uyathola ngithi.
Yeah.
Umjolo nesettle as fun.
Yeah.
Ukshata is to settle.
Oh, that's it.
You settle down.
Should I, okay, because
there are people
you become ready. Chukuthi ngiza kule point ile ukuthi man shata ngiza kule point ngibonisa something uma ushata awumani ukhume ngoba uma ushadile nawe uyashada uma uzusha uyashada nawe ufuna ukushada or uma uzuthenga iOdi nawe usufuna ukuthenga iOdi
check ukuthi ready
lapho uyasitela ukuthi ngiready ngifuna ukwakha umuzi ngithatha umntwana abantu sengifuna ukubuilda ifamily yami like iBhayibheli lisho lithi indoda iyahlukana nomndeni wayo iyozakhela owayo even nomuntu wesifazana kwenza uyahlukana nomndeni wakhe ayakha umndeni wakhe nendoda yakhe uyathola and umfazi masesehamba akana sibongo isibongo sakhe lesasebenzisa sakubo isibongo boleko umfazi uthola isibongo makashadile leso esakhe yangibamba ukuthini and imishado yamanje it's playful angazi nani bahlala lapho emakhaya nangibamba it's playful I can get married yeah bani sistrata kwala master tent kuza matanka kuphuzwe yeah we kube mnandi after 2 months 3 months divorce Axi waste.
Oh, that's why like good because you have to be ready.
Yeah, be
So,
ready. Settle. Know what you want.
And
what you want Max Shatunanga
26.
Okay, before we go there, so like the reason actually like
Marganing mina ngifuna mani into zami zithi.
Okay,
into zami.
yeah.
Ngoba kunabantu abangathandi futhi.
Yeah.
Kana kunento ebizwa noku traditional magic.
This is what there for
Okay, I was saying good if nowadays you don't have a wife or a girlfriend, you'll end up hitting your hand. Just like Ubafe actually good to previous episode good yena.
I'm not masturbating me, bro. I'm not masturbating. I have a
No, it doesn't go with No, it doesn't go with Mama Sad.
But
wait, asiko kule topic. Wait. Umshado, it doesn't go with uma ungasadanga ungatweli go with masturbation. Umshado ngisabuyela emuva. It's to settle. I can give you an itchy. Yabona ini to. Yabaphakamisela. Sinsingibazi. Baso. Akuna ngane ekhona. Ayikho lengane bahlala nayo la. Bayi2. Ngahamba isikhathi la khembo. Ene ngabuya. Naba basekhona. Ngithola ukuthi thini? Umshado. They settled. Until one of you athathwa uNkulunkulu.
Therefore
nimelana phakathi kwenkinga hayi intombi ezothi uma ungasebenzi unganakudla endlini athi mina ngiyakushiya ngojola nokhotho uyazwa ukuthi njani akusiyo umuntu ofuna uthando hayi mina ngifuna indoda enemali yena angana nesent uyazi ufuna ukwenzani ufuna ukuthi wena umkhiphe enhluphekweni ufake ebumnothweni uyangithola mina uCherry ufika kimi mina angitshela ngokuthi ufuna indoda enemali ngiyambuza ukuthi wena unemali ne-accountini yakho unayo i-funeral cover na before zongitshela ngokuthi ufuna indoda enemali so umshado is not all about imali, it's not all about izinto onazo ungaba nazo izinto ube namabhizinisi ungashadi.
Okay, let's not go any further. I want to ask, what is the perfect age to get married at?
I can answer me.
Wena ungashada mhlambe yona unangayisho wena kwakho nobhekile according to onion
ngicela ngiphendule ngireason
akunakinga silanga sizophendula ikwetshini
mina thana bekunomunye ubhawe maybe sayidini bengizomkhulumela ukuthi like angachada na 30 years
wena ke uthini
mina okay mina kimi maybe boma 35 years but kuyeza ngizakalele angeke ngithi ngifuna uchada na 35 because ngingashada
no35 bathi sokhrote kakhulu
uyasikhrote kakhulu
abantu abadala abanye abakhuluma bathi sokhrote kakhulu dathana belungu ibheke umlungu umntwana makathi 18 years dala bamenzele yonke into ophumela ngaphandle hlala ngaphandle
wathi 18 vele bamenzela ngaphandle
and then he or she
can 21 bamkhipha
bamkhipha ngo21 sekashadile sekahlala nendoda uhlala nofazi wakhe sekune kindred gijima la uyangithola ukuthi uthini that's abathi 30 years is so
no and that's very wrong
but
that one that's very wrong
ukshada akuna age
but then
unless you want legal age 18
but then on your 20s like it's a perfect year for you to hustle.
Thank you.
To build your wealth.
According to you.
Thank you.
Actually, that's how you should be.
According to you.
Okay,
that's how you should be.
When according to you again.
According to you. Mina ngithi uyabona like njengoba sazi ukuthi namanye ama-culture bathatha abantwana abana how many years like wona ngokwenzela i-Egypt like wona ama-Ethiopia ama-Sulman lawo umntwana 11 years 10 years 11 years bayakwazi ukumthatha bamshada. That is why manje ubheke nomthetho wethu wenzani-ke ithi ngizelala ubheke nayo iSouth Africa yaba namasimba yaba nalo mthetho yaphikisana at the same time wona waziphikisa lo mthetho khumbula le ndaba ye-abortion why umthetho wala South Africa bevuma ukuthi umntwana ona-11 bane-right ukuthi bayenze i-abortion and lo mthetho wavuma eSouth Africa umntwana omncane so manje ngiletha kuyithini abantwana bamanje from young age they develop sexual feeling from young age abantwana bamanje into bazenzana senkolweni eloya primary kule nkolo lethu angikhulumi ngehaya primary loya primary or uzola abantwana amabadlala laba abancane la bayagibelana laba mambuza umntwana bambanenza so athi ngibone
sometimes I think it's really sound from near petrol
ngama then so ngiletha lento ukuthi they adopt so manje lowa manje umshado it's not all about love it's not out of 100% umshado osithi umshado secret ngaba nenkinga ngaba nani bahleli bamile babonke njengalabo gogo bethu abomalume bethu batshela ukuthi bana 35 years kudala abantu la kwevunguvungu bayinjani basesenjalo namanje basikhulisa bakhulisa nezizukulwana uyangithola and then laba bamanje the flow bahamba ngemali
manje khamba ngemali
ngingathandana nanto bengisebenza ngomshado ngisebenza ngithi mangiceda ukumshada sina 2 months umsebenzi kuphela kube nzima endlela angidivorce because of angisana mali ayofuna enye itsotsi la and akabona ukuthi yena uyazilima
so actually there's no perfect age for marriage. Yeah, it happens.
It's also medical age from 18.
18.
But then like on my side, like I'm still saying good, like at your early 20s, it's time for you to make money. We can never say good to you as a on or not even 100% how possible. How are you going to provide your wife if like you don't have even 100%?
Mara agesikhuluma iqiniso uthando lomali at last.
Ngiyavuma ukuthi mara
uthathe ijiki umjolo manganamali emfethu kuba nzima ukuthi ujole this.
Then what's the use to ujole na unganamali ungasebenzi?
So okay, Nina.
So if ujole ungasebenzi,
ngiyakubheka
just like ubafashile ukuthi nebe imncede ukuthi fresh asizomusha
ubani
go previous episode
ukuthi ubani wathi yena uyasineda ngoba
mara kwathiwa refreshing ngcono bathi
abanye abantu angithi abodoktar babeka kanjani ngani kangendaba ye-HIV and AIDS bathi mangaba afuna ukuba ne-AIDS you sustain
but then
you condomize or masturbate
if umhlali asho njalo it's gonna lead him there kuyafana musa athi okay but if
awunamashadanga
and then kushayida baba nathi akajoli because of akanamali
bakhona abantu abahlezi laba kudala abangadli code 2 bangadli code 1
that means they are in the hand
bana yes and yes
but that means they are in the hand
differentiate code 1 and code 2
but manje angeke mfethu ungitshela ukuthi umshado nemali uyokudlisa ikuku awuthatha ama-chance
no you don't get me mina ngiphendula point la kamhlanje makathi mawungana mali angeke uzojola
what's the use of
what's the use to join
what's
the use
is to feed the man
mara what if
feed the man
what if no kenan papa mexena kufuna imali
ujolela ukuthi wena ubhebhe
that's obvious
so okay back to the topic
I'm still young that's why I'm saying like I'm saying like I'm still young to settle mina ngijolela lokho mina ngijolela lokho that's why I'm still young I have to hustle I have to make money first before I settle
but don't say that life ku social media imakancane ngoba umosha abanye abantu abaningi ngithengokutshela wait
but on the other side
wait inspire ushadela ukubhebha wena awushadela ukuthi wakho umuzi wakho ukushada ube nomuzi wakho ngithi mangiza kuwe ngingena kwakho umfazi wakho usenzela
okay let me ask this
awushadela
what are you dating for
okay I'm dating for
be honest
now I'm dating for
honest
for now
because what kind of a fun
what kind
of fun
bro
I fuck you fuck me that's all
man
simple
uyazi jike kwenze leyo I fuck you fuck me at the end of the day ahamba yokuvulela amanzi usukela iphoyisa libhoro idocket akuvulela icase rape that's why ama case rape yathi angikho wena ujolela ubhebha
I think
asikhulume iqiniso
because
what are we waiting for
talking from experience
for men to eat
when
how cool
that's why I'm saying I'm still I need to hustle first before
I experience ukuthi uma ushadile uba nenkinga ethize uzobe uyi-experience kuphi
along the way
along the way kuphi ngoba wena uthi ujolela ikoti kusho ukuthi wena mawuvela intombi yakho mavela baby asilala uyahla angithi uthi ujolela ikoti ukujola it's an experience ngayibeka
why is what the experience
ukujola you experience you build yourself ukuthi masozoshada ane uphatha umuntu wesifazana kanjani uphatha umndeni wakho ka ifamily yakho wephatha kanjani inkinga uzohlangabezana nazo
that's settling
umshado loyo
that's settling
sikhuluma ngomshado
that's settling
bafo sikhuluma ngomshado
now I'm not ready to settle
sikhuluma ngomshado umshado ukusettle kanti wena umshado uthi
mina talking from experience
kanti umshado wena uthi
that's why I'm still saying I'm still dating for fun for a man me that
okay
we are still young
we have
to make money first
okay
anazinja niguke ningaka ngamadeva amhlophe nisafuna ukusupportwa nyanya yenzana abantwana
talking from experience on my side talking from experience before I had this mind before I had this mind no like I'm dating for marriage so what's the reason for dating for fun understand at the beginning but ngabona ukuthi no like I've been played a lot girls
when you screen
so that's why I turning on the black now I'm not like I can say this understand right now ne
kumana bahlale ekhaya
mina bahlale ne
And also,
I'm dating for fun. I don't care. As long as I make money. Simple.
Yeah, it's fine.
Simple.
I don't care if you love me.
You make money, you make money. She make money.
Yeah.
We are saying is.
I'm not saying I'm making money by you.
I need to school. Ukulmanga. What make money?
No.
But as long as we are making money, we don't care about dating and stuff because people have us value. We try to give our life at first, but then we express so no, it's going to change. We make money.
Let me talk to my younger brothers out there. My younger brothers out there, like you need to get money first. Get your money right first before you telling yourself now I wanna settle. Because you can never hustle while you're having a girlfriend by your side, man.
Mina ngicela nibabuze ukuthi banama firstborn na or balahla ama firstborn ngama condom. Yazi babuze le question straight bana. Olahla ama firstborn angaki?
Kuromehluka phi ubona umntwana nokuthatha.
Hayi sengiyabuza. Ngibuzela la ukuthi olahla ama firstborn angaki?
No, what about I say.
Ulahle ama firstborn angaki?
But then the ending not a
minute.
But then ke kunomehluka phi ubona umntwana.
Hayi besingayenzi ukuthi
ungabona umntwana mara still ngabe ready for ukusetshela for uthatha.
Azi lapho. But wena awuthanda. Iminyaka iyahamba and manje this nowadays gugugu amasinya.
That's right.
You
gotta hustle first and
this nowadays
because this
is why you to gugugu amasinya. Right. 39 or 95 ulibhekele ngakanani ngathi uankile ngathi ubaba
is that
wait namadevu abamhlophe uyazi why this nowadays angithi into eyenzaka izinto za change abantwana bakhula abashiya iminyaka emuva bakhulela phambili and then mangathatha leya generation ngalesa sikhathi benizama ukukhula according to iminyaka yakhe kuze thina sikhule according iminyaka uyangithola namanje ngibona ngakanani but I can fit kuma 2000 I can fit kuma 90 uyangithola and then ke manje that's why ngikutshela ngiza kule ndaba ukuthi izinto ziya generation to generation this nowadays intombazana noma ungatshela ngomshado abasawuthanda umshado intombazana yabona eqaleni intombazana beyothi tujolana nazi ukuthi nazi ibuze eqala ukuthi manje uzolobola nini this nowadays intombi yakutshela kahle
so I'm asking you what they used to get
lalela asishade and we are not getting married in community of property.
I prefer that now.
Yeah, we are not getting married in community of property. There is in community of property whereby we share everything. Noma sihlukana la. Yangithola. Mangabe umntwana wena umama ubaba siyabantwana. Wena mama uhamba nalo mntwana ubaba uhamba nami. Mangabe ikara zethu uthatha ikare 1 uthatha ikare 1. And then uthatha share furniture. Indlu iyathengiswa. Imali iyasplitwa according ukulingana. Uyangithola. So mina kwamanje umshado wona awukho. Angifuni uqamba ma.
So that's why
kwamanje umshado awukho.
So that's why
why ngisho kanje ngibone abantu abaningi wala ngibone abantu abaningi laba bebayenza abashada manje and then mabaqeda bakhawatheka endleleni. Uyangithola. Umuntu besidla step last week. Kwamanje ukhawathekile uyangithola ukuthi uthini abasekho nalo system.
So bafona you're saying good like we should make babies just because of like we are growing
wandisa umndeni wami.
No, my main point is
wandisa isibongo sakini wandisa isibongo sakini wandisa isibongo sakini angithi wandisa isibongo sakini ukwandisa isibongo sakini nani bahlale emakhaya commenta lapho khiphana ama views sinizwe ukuthi nithini.
Ngoba manje have a question. What's the use of this sibongo while broke? Uyobondla labantu.
Amfethu angithi nango government ukhiphe imali abantwana
nabantu.
Bangakhi abantu abahlele nabantwana abangasebenzi.
Let's not mislead people. As I'm saying good like people should prioritize making money first before they settle. You can never settle without money.
Yabona manje ngibafuna ukukhuluma iqiniso ngivumelana nomjito makathi masinama different onion.
Onions.
Yeah, yabona onion hayi ukukhuluma iqiniso onion.
Hashtag onion.
So you are saying guys good like it's fair for those children but bashata bana 13 and stuff.
It's
This
It's not
okay.
fair.
Yeah.
Yabona
They say it's a culture.
it's a culture party.
It's a culture.
It's a culture party. According to me now.
According to onion.
Yeah. According to me according to my onion. Yeah, onion is.
Yeah.
Ngesixhosa bathi itswele. According to itswele. Umntwana makana 13 years. Ngiyela back to that thing bekhulu.
Yeah.
Ukuthi when you are 20 yenzani when you hustle you start and hustle.
Yeah.
I think umntwana makana 13 years. Ithuepha yangithi uyaqala baya namabela aqala angithi. Ithuwe umntwana kumele umzali amthathe amhlalise phansi and then amfocusise entweni zabondaba zesikolo zasezweni. Hayi indaba zokuthi umshado manje amanye amaculture bafethu ahamba kanjalo and ngangeke sicancel injalo.
But then let's look at our rights or South Africa umthetho. Pero ukhumbula umntana sangiza state naro or state share or rape.
State child but angithi le mthetho ize kana amaculture lawa akusiculture zamanje maqedwe kunyumandela. Le ama right le ize after ngamanye freedom charter
after kwini ANC
charter ama right again after kwini ANC and then le ama culture is from Mandulo. Angithi ulakubheka ngokwenzela ithi angisazi ukuthi imiphi imhlobo le bathi intombi yakhona amashado ubaba wakhe uyoqala lale naye qala before aphuma aye emshadweni.
Ikhona father.
Time straight.
Yo.
Nazi ngazi leyo ukuthi nayo thatha ulo kanje uyothatha ubaba wakho wena uyolala naye mara le ibhalishi karikhathi ngizwa manje which is not fair.
What is uthatha?
To get married.
But akhona ama culture yenzayo la.
Like let's say if we time lami so ngiyathatha uyolala nomakoti qala.
Hayi wena time lengo. Ubaba umntwana umakoti.
Ngubaba
uye utesta akhulume into ekhona umntwana wakhe. Iyaziwa ukuthi noma athi kuyashadwa namhla sebayazi ukuthi manibizwa komalume sebayazi ukuthi hayi seka testing.
That's going to condemn each
And it's not good. Awuza ngokutshela ngithi amanye amaculture
sexual. I don't understand.
Yeah.
sexual.
Ubaba
That's disgusting man.
Ya awuza ngihamba kuyo le ndaba le 14 years ukuthi according to mina umntana we-13 umntana nabo bakhula ngemizimba yebo. Yazi manje labantwana noma singaye emathaveni somebody senze iDecember la strateni bafo or emola uthola umntana ona 13 years bafo kwelinye iPakistan ngathi umuntu sisaqoka amahili akho president afaka wena utsho ukuthi ya roasted umntana ufika uthi yes mgele umbambe uthi 3 ugele ayenzeni athi hala kaqa maka wena ugele idate okay angithi yena makaphuma ku angithi umntana ona 13 makadotsha wenzani uzana uzolala lapho ungalela ukuthi ngiyabo ulala lapho kusasa umntwana makabuyela ku uyasho makafika endlini ewe ubuya hayi beniyahamba ku Oscar lo kwakanani ngamkhiphe bathi babheka muskon thokuthi sisakho yangazoputa yarela ngifunda na rafunda na kuphula ewe nona 13 years ikhuma sethi rape.
So khona it's so
fana lento yokuthi umntwana abantwana bamanje bagqoke into ezobungoma umntwana useloya primary sekafaka into yobungoma bathi umntwana unedlozi angaka umkhondo umntwana
but what if fele like unando what if fele unando
kumele why abantu abadala umntwana bekathi makanento asesemntwana bayiqelele
5 months old
akayenzi bayayiqelela umntwana afunde aqede bese khana manje bayenza orakhulu ufana namanje like abesulu njengoba bayenza abanye abesulu bathathe baqela umntwana asesemncane asesesikolweni bamshade nomntwana uyazi ukuthi mangiqeda la nyaka bomjida ngomakoti akabomjida kamahlangu uyangithola ufunda kanje sekayazi ukuthi uqedile umfazi womuntu bayazi la nala ahlala khona sebayazi ukuthi abafutha athile nomntwana asesemncane uyangithola awukuthi makabuye esigelo uyahambe uyomlanda amdistate entabeni zami uyalobola funda qede bese uyabona ukuthi ngiza kule point yakamthini but bamanje they don't stand like umntwana manje umfuni omncane like ubhoqola akubona ugibela intombi eromo angeke experience la
experience
aba experience basesebancane they are not sexual active basesebancane.
So okay, the question, what can you say to someone who wants to get married? Maybe like someone now from the shot there. Like what can you say?
Do you have money first? Okay, let me ask. Do you have money? You want to get married? Do you have money? Do you have a legacy? Can you maintain that job that you want to take? If not, then we are not ready.
So what's next? What can you say to someone who want to get married?
Mina ngingathi kara ngoba financially stable ekara. Get your hustle on, ube stable. So that uzokhona ukumaintain yakho impilo macala then uzokhona ukuprovide nasendlini. Then ube ready na phakathi deep down onso lento zakho ube ready.
So
spice.
What can you say?
Baba,
mina ke bafethu njengoba majida ikhuluma kanje ngibela phezulu kwendaba yakho mara mina into esibili masofuna ukushada na ufuna ukushada utoqala yekela ubufebe musukudlala ngecode 2
yes
angithi ufuna ukushada yekela ubufebe musukudlala ngecode 2 zibonakalisa ukuthi ufuna ukuba umfazi ufuna ukuba indoda straight yabona wayekela ukudlala ngecode 1 wayekela ukudlala ngecode 2 sister okay, you will get what you want. Yekela ukuthanda imali, you are not a provider system. Nayi lento endimazayo nithi 50-50, you are not a provider.
You're not a provider.
A provider is a man, noma ngathi 50-50 nanjani agenga nagibela phezulu kwendlu labandlulu. A provider is a man.
It's a man.
Ngoba namanje indoda mangakwenzela ukuthi indoda yakho akunikeza imali mara nithi 50-50. So manje yekela ukuthanda imali, uyekela ukuthanda isende, uyekela ukufeka. Ubhekana nezinto lokuqala uOscar chicken sugar and spice mother spice.
So as izwile babukele emakhaya nanini ngaphawula imibono yenu like comment. Please make sure that you like, you share our video, you subscribe, understand. Just go to YouTube, search Niche135. You're gonna see all of our videos here, they understand. So anyway, it's your boy G Bowie. Anyway, hashtag us again. Bring us.